This is Will with Danfoss, and today we're going to demonstrate the procedure for updating the operating software for your 800A series system manager. The first step is to obtain a copy of the required software. We will start by going to www.danfoss.com. From here, we're going to go to Service and Support. We're going to select Downloads. I'm going to scroll down to the Adapt-A-Cool software page. I'm going to scroll down again to the AKSM 800A series. Now, from here, if we scroll down a little bit further, we will see the location where we can download a copy of the current Danux version. Save this to your machine. Once this is saved, we can begin the next step. Now that we have the required software, we can connect to our Sun using the StoreView web application. Enter your credentials. To log into your controller. Next, we want to select the menu block. We're going to select System, and then we're going to select OS Update. Next, we're going to choose Locally Stored File, and we're going to navigate to the location that we saved the file on our desktop using the Browse button. Find your LPK file, select Open, and then Upload. The upload process will take a few moments. Once complete, select Finish. And now you've noticed you have the current version of the Danux on your system. This completes the update of the Danux operating system for the 800A using StoreView Web. Go back to our dashboard, make sure everything is running, and we're good to go.